welcome. My name is Queen. I'm the director of UK's Dazzling Beauty. I am at the Afro Hair and Beauty Show, which is at the Islington Design Centre, which is basically North London, and I'm having a wonderful time. I'm here today to support one of my contestants, Shola West, who is London's Dazzling Beauty Team 2016. I want to say to you that you can also, she was sponsored by Luster's Products and got to basically be on stage with them today, and I want to tell you that this can happen to you too. When you enter UK's Dazzling Beauty, so many opportunities can come your way. Modelling opportunities, catwalk opportunities, hair show opportunities, promoting brands, products and services. You may just think that, it's a lot of money to enter the pageant, but the opportunities can be limitless. You can be in the media, you can make friends, you can go out, get out of your comfort zone, meet new people, go to new cities, new countries. One of our girls is in Greece at the moment, having a wonderful time. And she's taken a sash and crown there to sort of, let people know what she's doing in UK's Dazzling Beauty, to promote her title, to promote her cause, and she's raised lots of money for charity. So I want to encourage you, break out of your comfort zone, because it's going to really help you to be successful. Become the person that can make great things happen. You can do it. Enter UK's Dazzling Beauty today. Become a reigning queen, because we need more girls and women like you to support us and to get the good word.
First and foremost, and hashtag new face of pink. Come to my booth 101. You'll get 5 products for £10. You'll get a free edge gel, and you'll get a selfie stick, so you can enter the new face of pink. And you see Black Beauty and Hair magazine booth? Go there, register. They'll take your picture. Baby, hey, it's pink, iconic, one of a kind. Pink on moisturizer, shea butter coconut, brand new, the natural evolution of pink. Work it. Work. With pink. But we can only do that with your hair. Booth 101, the new face of pink, the natural evolution of pink. And a little uptown funk. We love you, London. Yes, I love you. I'm paying for it. Those braids, y'all come to my booth, I'm gonna give you a free scalp suit so you can get to that part of the hair. You can stop you made of. Pinkologist, y'all. With pink, all our lovely models. Again, London, we love you. Thank you so much. My technicians.
Hi everyone, I am at the Afro Hair and Beauty exhibition. I am at Islington